Financial indicators are based on live and historical data and can be used to make short-term and long-term trading decisions. Indicators are often used by an analyst in conjunction with a live trade or combined with multiple indicators to create a fully automated trading strategy. Indicators can often vary in the data that is referenced and can be based on volume, moving averages, and a variety of other factors. Beyond this, indicators can be used on cryptocurrencies and stocks alike, so this information is good investment knowledge to have even if you're not just speculatively investing in cryptocurrencies. If you're interested in getting started with indicators, cryptoscores.org offers plenty of free indicators that can be used by any trader. The first step to getting started is signing up for a free Tradingview account. To do so, simply go to Tradingview. There's a link in the description of this video to sign up for free and create an account. From there, you just simply need to create a chart. To do so, click Chart, and all of a sudden you will have a chart loaded onto your screen. From here, you can do a variety of things like draw lines, play around with text, and load indicators into your interactive chart. Beyond this, you can also change markets, including a coin or stock. From there, you're going to want to go to cryptoscores.org, and on cryptoscores.org, you're going to want to sign up for a member account. If you're a member already, you can simply sign in. If you don't have a membership, you can sign up for free today. From there, simply go to our investment solutions page and access the automated trading strategies. These 8 automated trading strategies can also be directly found if you follow us on TradingView at CryptoScores. From here, all you have to do is select a trading indicator that you're interested in adding to your chart. In this case, let's just start with a simple crossing moving average. Click on the crossing moving average indicator and you'll be directed to TradingView. And from here, all you need to do is favorite this indicator. You'll notice that even in a bull or a bear market, indicators can find profitable strategies. So it's fun and important to play around with these whenever making investment decisions. From here, you can add this to your favorite scripts, and all of a sudden, when you go back to your original chart, you'll be able to actually add this indicator to your chart. From there, you'll be able to adjust the inputs, including moving average ranges, whether the source is based on the open or close price, whether you're just doing buys or longs and shorts, whether you use a trailing stop, and there's really a ton of things you can do with this crossing moving average script. And this is just one of 3 free indicators we offer for you to use. Beyond this, you can explore our volume-based script, as well as our stochastic special script, which are all free for members at cryptoscores.org. If you want to keep playing around with these scripts, Tradingview also offers a ton of built-in indicators that you can use on your short-term and long-term trading decisions. At the end of the day, using indicators is a valuable tool, not just if you're speculatively trading, but if you just want to stay in the know. A lot of people on crypto Twitter and other forms of social media will post without really having any sort of data to back it up. So start playing around with indicators, use the free ones available at cryptoscores.org, and start knowing what you're talking about when you are making trades. Thank you and have a great day.